thinking?
Two-stroke race up north.
Oh shit, you're gonna pop a fresh two-stroke?
Yeah, YZ 252 spoke.
Oh, let's go. I'm with it. I can get behind that. That'd be fire.
It's a new bike day. Why don't you get one?
Dude, I'm scheduled. I might have a new bike coming too. It's a little cooler. It's an unknown bike.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Well, this is nice, dude. You're just gonna take me to get my bike?
Yeah, I'll wake you up when we're there. You got money?
Yeah, hopefully I can do some on a card because we're broke.
Just put that thing on credit. You'll be good.
Pay it off later, huh?
Yeah.
Buy it now, pay for it later.
Hey, save later. Let's go. All right, rolling up. It's like our second home, it seems like, as of lately.
It really does feel like I'm here quite a bit.
Old factory motorsports.
It's never bad, you know? There it is, right there.
Oh, now you're getting that thing all fired up.
Dude, get the heat cycle in. We're going straight to racing. We don't even get practice. We're going straight.
Dude, the thing is,
elbow down, dude.
we got work tomorrow till noon, 5-hour drive. I don't know how much time you're gonna be able to break that thing in. Looks like someone else just copped a fresh bung too. It looks like he just got a freshie.
I better not. That was the last one.
Really? Oh, maybe he's just warming it up.
Oh no, I need that helmet though.
That thing's clean. That can't be yours.
Ride, dude.
That thing's slightly used now. Dude.
White one.
Ooh, the white Stark's so fire. Dude, they got a 110. We might have to scoop 2 bikes in one day. During COVID, you couldn't even get these things, and now here they are on the showroom. There we go. 252 stroke owner right here. Brandon hooked it up right there.
Nice.
Dang. You're gonna have to get one of those front fenders like your new bike. All right.
685, we got a match.
That's the right one. First kick. Dang, dude. There we go. Perfect. Right to the races. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank you.
Dude, fresh Dunlop rubbers on that thing. My goodness.
I'm on the board of the blue crew, man.
I know, dude. Once you go blue, you can't go back, huh?
Like that.
Let's go.
Just pulled up to the track, dude. How we feeling?
Freezing, dude. It's cold up here.
Bike
Dude,
looking
We're
fresh.
3 hours north of home, and 2 days ago it hit 108 degrees. Here, it's almost cold.
It's freezing, dude. Hey, dude, you're not used to that carburetor stuff, dude.
Yeah, I gotta turn the gas on. One time we were in the backyard riding the AX track, and I went to water, leaned my bike over, turned the gas off, got whole lap right over the finish line. Just had to bail. Dude.
Yep. Think you're good. Oh, let me think.
Yeah, that says on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I need to do right now.
Pop squat.
Yeah.
When Braxton Wild crashed at
Kyson, why are we always somehow running to the gate to get signed up?
Because we're always late, because we're carrying around Caden with us, sleeping in the van.
What?
What are the odds they put the 250 Pro class first? For practice.
Hey, they haven't gone yet. I mean, we're still sitting on...
I know. I better get practice. I haven't even rode this.
Set of gloves on the day too?
Heck yeah! 7 keeps us ripping.
Dude, I need to get some new gear.
7. Up to 2.5 laps on this track. We're getting there.
How we feeling? She freshly broken in?
I think the jetting's a little off, but I don't know how to switch it, so I'm gonna leave it. Track's pretty sweet, dude. I think we're hauling ass down that hill today.
Yeah. What's going on?
Someone just came up and offered me a 500. I said, all right. All right, cool. So we gotta stop by the sign-up booth on the way down. Are you positive I can do this?
Yeah, come check it out.
We're gonna try this 500 out. It's track time, so. Dude, this is freaking sweet. Holy. This is it, huh?
I got some light for you.
Dude, this is super fast. It's like 72 horse.
You know, the ones
It's almost like a start. You wanna start it for me?
Dude, you gotta start it.
You can't start it. I do want to put them. Are you riding that thing?
He signed me up already.
Hell yeah, dude. I rode that yesterday. That's fast, dude.
Oh, I'm sure it's fast. I just hope I can hold on to it. Dude, this seat is tired. You looking and watch me out there? I'm not standing up.
I might want to start out here more. Just smoke everyone out.
Get the echo going.
Bro, what's going on?
Kyson, how do you get yourself in these situations?
I don't know, but I love it. How do I know if the gas is on?
You just flip it on.
Dude, look at that pipe, dude. It does a lap around the whole freaking bike.
Support and polish. Put your purse down. Put your purse down.
No, like there's not a lot of compression.
Oh, there's a lot of compression.
There's not though. Bro, look at the jug on it.
Whoa, whoa!
Hey, follow me down to the start. I don't know how to... Hey, Dan, are we gonna sign me up?
Hey! Let's do it! What's going on?
They shut off on me.
It won't start?
Sound like it's almost out of gas.
You said it's a full tank.
That's leads me to the conclusion that it could be something else. See that start though, boys?
I didn't even know he was racing. I'm videoing. This guy's like, "Yo, your brother racing?" I'm like, "No, he got a stuff." And I'm like, "Wait, what?" He's on a 500.
The whole shot. Yeah, absolutely. From the outside, brother. Second to last gate on the outside.
See how that thing had to have been just.
Kind of weird, but it vibrated my nuts, dude. This thing vibrates. I do like this thing. This thing's badass.
So the motor looks fine.
Yeah, it's there.
The exhaust looks like it's there.
Not leaking no oil.
The
The back brake works.
Yeah. Does the front wheel spin? Yeah. Does the back wheel spin? Yeah. Yeah, we're good. So you just go and blow people's bikes up, dude.
Dude, what year is this thing?
If I'm going off the number, it's got to be a 98.
If it was 99, I could get on that thing and rip.
All right. What's the game plan? Pro Moto, we're up.
We want the same start as the 500,
Yep.
but we want to keep it up there.
First ride on the 252 stroke though, how was it?
It's good.
Has to handle pretty good.
It was slow, and then I hopped on the 500, and then I realized it was really slow.
This thing has to feel pretty stock for right out of the box.
Yeah. Oh, it's soft.
Suspension pretty good too?
For the 2 laps I got, it's decent.
two-stroke nationals, Mona, Utah. It's going down.
The plan is
We win our money, we go to Mesquite.
and we double our money.
Heck yeah. I'm hitting on 14s today.
You know, I just want to get this moto over with as fast as possible because I gotta poop so bad.
Wow. I'm not sure how, but this happens every single moto.
Literally picks this bike up first ride and he's racing me. That's pretty fast. That's 2 laps of practice. What happened on the start? I didn't even see it.
No idea.
I don't know. I don't think Kyson's liking that two-stroke. Let's go, boys! Let's go! Tell Kyson to put it to the floor. He's ripping. I'm surprised he's not. He's got to be tired. I don't know. Let's go! What was that? That was us all out. Took us out. Had to have been on purpose. I think he forgot Terrell.
All right, Kyson freaking Palmer, are you ready for our moto number 2?
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
Yeah, that was about a, what was that, 3-hour break?
Let's go see if the bike's running a little better. We did some changes.
Tuning in, right?
Okay.
How you feeling?
Tired?
Tired? Okay.
Let's get that energy out of here. We're trying to get a first place here.
Alright, hopefully this thing runs better.
I think we should get a better start this year. Oh, really? It's brand new. It didn't bug. Rider air.
flat spots, but way better.
Yeah. Good way to break in the new bike right there.
Yeah, that's everything she had. This thing doesn't, I might need to mess with the suspension a little bit. There's no bumps out here. So there's nothing like, my homeboy rides this track every day and he still couldn't pull that far, but a little better jetting.
Oh yeah.
And maybe a little more time on the two-stroke.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more time on dirt bikes.
Yeah, maybe
It's been a month. That was fun.
Not too bad.
Let's go get some Raising Canes.
Oh yeah.